Here in this video, we'll detail the T900 Ultra Smartwatch camera control. Whether you're using T900 Ultra or T900 Ultra 2, here I'm going to talk about the camera control. So how can you use the T900 camera on your smartwatch and then use it to snap? So here, I'm going to show you everything you need to know while using your T900 smartwatch as a camera or using the camera control. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing you want to do here is you need to connect the T900 Ultra Watch to your Android phone or your phone. So it doesn't matter that you're using Samsung or you are using any other Android devices. Once they are both connected using Bluetooth, or bind the Ultra Watch and your phone together using iWatch Pro application, then you are good to go to use the T900 Ultra Watch camera control. To do this, all you just need to do is make sure your Android phone is on the home screen like this. Then go ahead and open the iWatch application. Then here if you see remote shutter, click on remote shutter. Then once you click on remote shutter on the iWatch Pro application, then you're going to see the camera control pops on the T900 smartwatch. You see that? Then if you click on the start button, once it pops, you'll be able to take pictures on the T900. So open this like this. Then go ahead and open the iWatch Pro. Once opened, click on remote shutter. So once you click on the remote shutter, you see the camera pops like this. So you can click on this plus icon at the top here to change the camera, or click on it again to change from rear camera to back camera. Then if you click on this, you're going to see all the photo taken in the camera roll. And if you click on this drop menu, then this is going to exit the camera control on your T900 smartwatch. Then click on remote shutter again. Then there you go. Then you can now use your smartwatch. That is the T900 smartwatch. Click on start. And it's going to snap the picture. So this is the picture taken. You see this? So each time you click on the camera icon on your camera on the smartwatch like this, you can see count down, and that is going to snap it. Click on it again. You see the countdown as well. However, come up here and click on this icon, then that is going to automate flashlight on your phone. So if you disable this, this is going to turn on flashlight or turn it on at when need. Then automatic on. Then come to the camera roll, click on start. Then you should see the countdown. And then you see the flashlight comes up. So with the T900 smartwatch camera control, you can use flashlight on it. You see that? So that's the flashlight. Again, let's click on start again. Then you see the flashlight. Now to turn off flashlight while using T900 camera, click on this. And if you go ahead and click on the start button again on the T900, this is going to take the picture without the camera. Then if you want to automate it, just click on this again. And if you see A on the flashlight, then if you go ahead and click on start again, that is going to start the countdown and it's going to take the picture on your phone. Is that? And then just come here at the bottom right, click on here, then you're going to see all the photos taken with the T900 on your phone. So you see that? So that is all you need to know about the T900 smartwatch camera control. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.